this is officially a new truck update. It's been quite some time since I've been on here, probably about a year. But I'm standing next to this beautiful 77 C20 that I pretty much put a down payment on, or deposit on. And this baby's going to be coming back home with me from Wisconsin all the way to Illinois, about 2.5 hours away. This is going to be a farm truck for now. There's a plow back there that we're going to attach to it. And eventually I'm going to get this thing titled and we'll go do truck stuff with it. It's going to be awesome. But let me give you a rundown of this thing. So 1977 C20 four-wheel drive. Let me know. That's kind of weird. It's the C series, but it has four-wheel drive. A little bit odd, right? Because you would think that would be a K series. Interior is pretty nice. It's going to be kind of hard to see. But once we get this thing out in the open, we'll be able to show you a little bit more. There's the plow. Nice step side. Yes, the step sides are held on by heavy-duty zip ties. It's got rust. It's a 50-year-old truck. What do you expect? Transmission's blowing on it. And you guys know how I love vehicles with blown transmissions. So we're going to have to rebuild the Turbo 350. Not a big deal, but just one more thing. And I got it for $1,000. When's the last time you were able to get something like that for $1,000? It's been a couple decades. So I'm excited. It's going to be a cool addition to the channel. And I finally have a square body. Hell yeah.